Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Following the new Patriotic Party NEC meeting, a National Executive Council meeting, the discussion focused among several other things, including Dr. Bawumia's running mate. After Sir MPP Fokoyi Dr. Bawumia, the discussion has been wine and a beba ababedi Dr. Bawumia China Makwaji Franca for the new Patriotic Party. In fact, names like the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs and Member of Parliament Edema Swame Osei Kyei Mensah Bonsu Aba. Napo Matthew Opoku Prempe. In fact, I saw a press conference at Ibinum Air calling for immediate installation and chosen an appointment of Napo. And this press conference way back almost free Northern Region and an ASR press conference. John Kumedi a pop up. Then of course Educhum and Sudi a pop up. Uwo Jowais, Bekwai Member of Parliament. These names Aba Enra Kwabre Japan Sudiwu man for cry a flyer Eddie Amano, the former General Secretary of the suspended General Secretary and dismissed General Secretary of the MPP. Then Jowais and Sudi Aba Uwo the Pentecost one-time national chair Dr. Onyina. Man for say Diwe is something even Onyina crowd the MPP NEC are rejecting outright. Why these names and who is the best person? Political scientist and lecturer Dr. Amachi Boateng Ewahumaso. Dr. Anope, good morning.
Good morning.
Abusan for who you there? A lot of interesting times ahead after the MPP Fokoyi Dr. Bawumia. Names popping up and a whole lot of issues and an echo. Now, from where you sit, Ediana Yenshe, Nkomono Nkose, Yemfa Kyei Mensah Bonsu. Should he be the one? The advantages, the disadvantages. Yem profiling politically.
Majority leader, he is an institution in himself. As an individual, he's an institution.
Okay.
Efa omayin tutuye ho. Baby ayi free ba. Se o kasa o baby. Not him who say. In his real self, objectively looking at issues. He's a walking encyclopedia. I admire him. A fast man, very knowledgeable. Articulating issues, ye papa. Makan in social media say or say, or you're interested in the running mate.
He is interested, and I can submit to that effect. Very much interested.
Or a strong contender, every new the negative issues and answer the shortcomings you're popular our sentiment.
Kyei Mensah Bonsu popular sentiment.
No, he's not.
Oh, really?
He comes out as Obia Okwa Abamuno, Okwa Pini or Noano, and Tina impatience for no. They are not satisfied with his performance in the constituency.
Since 1996, thereabout.
The for are not satisfied with what he has done. Come here,
wow.
On several occasions, Yababa to a bar, Mitna Angel FM. A support to say, Omunya Manu Musunko. Manu be UTV so Accra was invited. Now Omuya primaries issues about him. Emrebia and I'm ranting any person contesting on the day. People are angry with him. All in Pesuaso. Yeah, I remember coming up strongly to support him and even to suggest that some of them should be allowed to go on the post. I was there with Professor Jumpo. He didn't agree with me, and then he also took up an issue out of that. He would not help Dr. Bawumia at all. Specifically, what you hear, Dr. Bawumia here, an individual with me a full support from Ashanti Region, T2.
Wow.
Honorable Kyei Mensah Bonsu is not popular at all. Me, on a scale of 1 to 10, I will give him my 0.5.
Hey.
He should not be considered.
This is dangerous.
It is. It is.
I see. So Kyei Mensah Bonsu out on your radar.
Now, red ink,
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.